Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing 7 tips for problem solving. Problem solving is an essential skill that is required in every aspect of life, be it personal or professional. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip 1. Define the problem. The first step in problem solving is to define the problem. This involves identifying what the problem is and understanding its scope. By defining the problem, you can set clear objectives for solving it, and this will make the entire process much more manageable. Tip 2. Gather information. Once you have defined the problem, the next step is to gather as much information about it as possible. This includes data, facts, and opinions from relevant sources. The more information you have, the better equipped you will be to solve the problem. Tip 3. Brainstorm solutions. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, the next step is to brainstorm possible solutions. This involves generating as many ideas as possible without evaluating them. This will help you to think creatively and come up with innovative solutions. Tip 4. Evaluate solutions. After brainstorming, the next step is to evaluate the solutions that have been generated. This involves weighing the pros and cons of each solution and determining which one is the most feasible and effective. Tip 5. Choose the best solution. Once you have evaluated all the possible solutions, the next step is to choose the best one. This should be based on a variety of factors such as feasibility, effectiveness, and cost. Tip 6. Implement the solution. After choosing the best solution, the next step is to implement it. This involves creating an action plan, setting deadlines, and delegating tasks to the appropriate people. It is important to monitor the implementation process to ensure that everything is going according to plan. Tip 7. Reflect on the outcome. Once the solution has been implemented, it is important to reflect on the outcome. This involves evaluating the results and determining whether the problem has been solved effectively. This will help you to learn from the experience and improve your problem-solving skills in the future. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 7 tips for problem solving. By following these steps, you can effectively solve any problem that comes your way, be it personal or professional. Remember to define the problem, gather information, brainstorm solutions, evaluate solutions, choose the best solution, implement it, and reflect on the outcome. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Love problem.